Good morning. The help's all here this morning. They don't look too enthusiastic yet. Hey, yeah, I got the old Belarus 400 AN in here in the barn. And what we're going to do today, we're going to work on the injector pump. I think I got most of the plungers in here. I think I got them working, but the rack and pinion that controls the speed is back here in the back. It goes back and forth. It's stuck, so I got to take the whole thing off and get it fixed. Oh, this transfer pump right here is not working. I got to take it apart, clean it. So what I'm going to do today, take all these lines off, take this oil filler part, tack cable off, then get into the gears, then take the thing off and see what I got. Of course, I got to take the front valve cover off right there and line it up on number 1 top dead center, and try to find a timing mark of some sort so I know exactly where to put it back together properly. And that's what we're going to do. It's kind of chilly out, but it's going to be snowing tomorrow, I guess, so I better get at it. And also, if and when I get that done, I got to take the starter off and see what's the matter with the solenoid. It works, but it sticks. So I don't want to shut itself off. So that's not too good a thing. But other than that, that's what we're going to do today. Alright, I better get to work. It's going to be fun trying to figure out what metric wrenches is which ones. Alright, that's all. I got everything loosened. And I didn't break anything yet. All these bigger ones are 3/4. Close enough anyhow. And these two small ones, this small one here is a 14 millimeter. So I guess we're getting started good. Alright, I'll get back to take this off and see what we got. I got that done. Got the lines laid over here. Covered up the holes, keep dirt out. But I gotta go take a break. My fingers are so numb, cold. Alright, I'll be back later. I watched the rocker arms there. Turned the crankshaft down there some. And I wonder if them little marks down there might say top dead center in Russian. I don't know. Alright, we'll find out. Well, I just seen something might be a bad sign. Looks like some silicone right there. That means somebody's been in this thing before. You reckon it's busted? When I get it apart, they broke it and put it back together? Oh, nobody'd put a tractor back together busted, would they? Alright, we'll see. Well, look at there. Look at there. I thought I'd better check before I took it apart. You can only go back on one certain way. There's a timing mark. Somebody marked it. It's got these little notches. There's no notch over here. They skip a spot, so it can only go one certain way. That's nice. I got the pump off. Now we'll take this side cover off. I'll do it like them other people do. I'll show you how to take a screw out. Now we'll look and see what's in there. Oh, it's kind of rusty looking. Well, what do we got? Let's see. We still got 2 of them stuck up. So that means I was only getting run on 2 cylinders maybe. And the speed rack is back behind there. And it's stuck. so we got to figure out how to get it unstuck. Alright, I'll get back at it. Well, these little things wiggle. So, yeah, I got to take the top off here and pound them things down, get them moving again. And we'll have to take the top off there and see what makes that go back and forth. Alright. Well, I got the pumps all unstuck. Now I'll get the speed rack to working. Well, I'll put them things back on. That's done with. Now we'll look in here and see what's in here. The governor. Which I know the governor was in there. Now the object of the game is this thing right here. You got to go back and forth. It does a little bit. Well, it's not permanently stuck. They're all turning there. Well, maybe something to ask the governor. Springs is all on there. Ooh. That's what it's supposed to do. Maybe the darn thing just sat around long enough to finally get loosened up on its own. Well, it looks like it's time to put this thing back together and see what happens. Alright, that's enough for now. There, got it all back together. See the rack and pinion in there? That's going back and forth where it belongs. Then there's a spring pull on the governor. Yeah, I gotta fix the starter solenoid so the starter don't stay stuck running. And I got it all primed up here except the rest of the way over there to the other side. I'll do that pretty soon. And other than that, everything else worked out real good except I got a little tiny leak right here. I'll probably have to take that apart and heat up them copper washers or find another and then put it back together. But other than that, everything worked out pretty good so far. Oh, seen there, I don't know what them words say, but it says 1978. Oh well, must be about how old this thing is. Well, that's enough for now. Oh yeah, I stopped for dinner. I had a half a bowl of soup to eat, and some guy come along and what was it? I sold 2 snow plows and a snow bucket this afternoon. So I guess this wasn't all bad day. Such a bad day anyhow. But it's going to snow here tomorrow, I guess. Alright, that's enough for now.